Hi Writing Mentors, this is Michael Miller from the Writer Studio, and in this short video I want to show you how to record your workshop, edit the name, and then share the recording after with the student. So again, I typically have a welcome message using the pods function. So before I get into the workshop, I will hide this. Also let students know when they're signing up, but also at the beginning of the workshop that we will be recording, so that way I can send them the video afterwards that they can use during the revision process. So to start recording, you go to Meeting at the top left of your screen and Record Meeting. This will pop up an option where you can name your recording, so I'm just going to entitle this one Practice Workshop. Sometimes I would like to put the students' names that are joining the workshop just to help me kind of keep track. When I hit OK, you see a little message pops up on the right that the message or the meeting is being recorded, and I can either pause or stop recording. This is a good option too if you need to halfway through click on the little red option, and again you can pull this up to either pause or stop recording. So let's say I've gone through my entire workshop, the hour is ended, so before I tell students goodbye, I go ahead and stop the recording, and then at this point we can end the workshop. So to do that, we'll just go to End Meeting, and we'll pop up this message for them, and then to edit the recording, sometimes you may have to sign in again because if you've been in the workshop, for an hour or so, it may log you out, but just log back in and you'll see the latest recording is on top when you click the recordings link within the particular workshop in room in Adobe Connect you were working in. So here I'm just going to select this this recording and click Access Type. Here I just click Public, and this will allow all of the students to whom I send the recording to view it, and then Save. So now the access is set to public. So to share the recording, you just click on the link itself, and it'll provide you with a custom URL that you can just copy and paste. And again, if you've used Google Documents, you can add that directly into the student's document, or you can send it separately in an email to them, but that will allow them to access the recording of the workshop to help them during their revision process.